Welcome back everyone. Today I will unbox something very small, but it is so useful in my daily audio needs that I just had to order it. This is an extra portable USB DAC amp with great specs and performance. You could almost call it a dongle. Let's see what's in the small box. Nicely wrapped, and almost an Apple-like presentation in the box. Let's take it out and see what accessories do we have. No silica gel in this tiny box. Also in the box there are other cables that assure connection to any type of device on the market. This must be the quality check badge. Here is the USB to micro USB cable. In this case, this is just 50 centimeters long. There are three very short cables. First one is lightning to micro USB cable for the Apple devices. Next one is the cable that I will be using, USB-C to micro USB. And the last one, micro USB to micro USB. With these cables you can connect to all types of devices. And at last, the DAC amp itself. It is very nicely wrapped, with the serial number on the wrap. As you can see, it's very tiny. And already, there you can see my fingerprints. I will have to clean this little DAC amp very frequently. You can see that there is only a 3.5mm jack on the side, and a micro USB on the other. And two very clicky buttons. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for a full review of this small DAC amp. Here you can see how tiny it is compared to €1 coin. Press like and subscribe to see the full review on this channel, and you will see if I recommend this DAC amp combo. See you in the next videos. Good luck everyone.